All right, today I decided to work from home so I could get a couple things done on the Mark 1. I got the glass guys coming out right now because every car I buy seems to have a shattered windshield. So you can see a little bit there inside. It's super hard to pick up on camera, but you can see maybe shattered window. So at least that'll be done today. And then I've got all these charcoal air freshener things going with the recirc on. So that way, hopefully we can get some of the smell out of this guy. But the next thing is I got these ordered because that's cracked in half. But so at least I'll get something done today on it, and I'll be able to see, maybe actually even go register it this weekend, Monday, somewhere there. All right, so the guys just left from the windshield, and nice new windshield, and you can see maybe down in there how gross it is all the way across here, and actually how gross the cabin air filter is. So that's already ordered. And then I ended up getting a new mirror switch because every time I back up, if my car will open, you can't see anything or adjust because it snapped off. So this is just a quick one to replace this little switch. Sometimes, you know, it is about the little things. Well, we're inside because I went to go move it in here to get my trailer out to go to Home Depot, and it wouldn't start, which is weird because I let it run in its same spot yesterday and then shut it off and then went to bed. Didn't move it or anything, didn't rain, nothing, and it wouldn't start. So I was like, all right, this has got to be something dumb. Parked it in the garage, tried a little bit, and then the ignition cylinder just kept spinning in circles when I was in the garage. But okay, well, that's different than before. Gonna replace that one. Then I pulled the key out, and then the key broke in half. And then I just thought this was a good representation of my life. My key code. You can read that. It says HA, H-A-A. So that's cool. God, you really can't read that. GoPros suck. Yeah. So anyway, representation of my life. Car apparently doesn't want to work, but that's Volkswagen.